guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be opening a Kender Joy. It comes with a toy and candy inside. Ooh, I'm so excited! If you haven't seen this channel before, please subscribe. Now let's get unboxing. Instead of the toy, so I'm just going to eat the chocolate. Here's our toy. I wonder what it is. Oh, here's all of our stuff. Oh, we have stickers and a checklist. Let's see. Oh, there it is. Might be a launcher. Oh. Let's see what we have to do first. Okay, it looks like we have to put the two big pieces together, maybe. Oh, and let's get these and put them in the orange thing.
Yeah, you know what? I went to Michael's to get Ben a picture frame for his birthday because he wants one for a poster. And they were like 80 cents, so I bought it.
What do we need to do next? Let's see. Okay, it looks like I need this piece. And this piece.
Hey, Clark, look, I'm eating chocolate.
And one of those.
Some chocolate.
So I finally figured out how to do it, and so now I'm gonna put this side. Okay, and then you. I don't know what you do. Yeah. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please go check out my other ones. Wait, I almost forgot one thing. I forgot to put the stickers on. So yummy. Yum. Delicious. Wait, am I still filming? Oh no.